Hey everyone, it's 8:52 p.m. on Tuesday, July 6, 2021, and right here is a white and polished brass 52-inch Hunter Original ceiling fan, manufactured in 1988. And I got this from fellow collector Brian Peterson, aka Cleveland Fan Collector. Thanks, Brian. I really enjoy this fan. And he even had it on his channel when it was in his possession way back when. But I have it now. I'm very thankful for it, and it's a major childhood fan for me. And I saw one on display at a defunct home center called Hechinger, and I think they were around the mid-Atlantic region. I know maybe into the Midwest, I don't really know. They were synonymous with Home Quarters, aka HQ. And there were two Hechingers in the Pittsburgh area I frequented, and the one that really sticks out to me was the one right across the street from Ross Park Mall, which is a Home Depot now. Go figure, it's a store they couldn't compete with, Hechinger, mind you. I think all Hechingers went out of business circa 1999, if I'm not mistaken. But it was juxtaposed on the Hechinger display amidst a plethora of Hunter Originals in various finishes. The white and polished brass one looked almost exactly like this, albeit with a 12-inch down rod, and it had a forearm fitter like this, but I don't remember what kind of gloves it had. It definitely didn't have these blue ones, but I hung them on there because I really, really like them. They're far from ordinary. And that being said, let's shed a little light on the situation, shall we? There. It's got LED bulbs in it. They're a little bit more ambient than the ones I had in here before. But, yeah, show you the tag on it. Right up there. Move the blade over a little bit. There, can you see it? Gonna zoom in on the tag. Hunter. See right there on the left corner of about a half inch away from where it says building the best, it has 88 engraved on it. That means it was manufactured in 1988, like I established earlier. There's a face plate right there. I don't think this one has one of those small half-inch diameter circle-shaped vents amidst these double rows of capsule-shaped vents. I don't know if Hunter just did that on the painted finish originals. I'm not positive about that, but someone can clue me in on it. There's the reverse switch. And it does have an oil bath motor. And since this is American Original, you put it, there's a hole right atop. I don't know how well you can see it, but that's not the hole you use. That's where it's got wires coming out of it. It's on like the opposite side of the motor. And this fan really performs pretty well. And this is one of the rare finishes of Hunter Originals. I mean, Hunter Original in any form is a childhood fan to me, but this ones are kind of hard to find, especially in the white and polished brass finish. And it's getting kind of hot, so just gives me an excuse to rev it up first on low. See how it torqued out right there? I want to use the same pull chains on this one as did two originals before it, the iron finish one. Like the one at Hechinger I was talking about earlier, it always ran on low. Feel a little bit of a breeze on low, and it's 100 original. What do you expect? Okay, medium. It's got a nice breeze on medium. And let's test it out on high, shall we? I didn't oil it all the way. I oiled it enough just to test it, but so far it's doing pretty well. It's probably got half a tube in it at least. I don't think it... Since the blades are a little bit dirty, I'm going to have to flip them over, and in the time being I might delegate the blade arms to one of my other originals that have brass in them, the other 4-bladed ones. I still need to claim them from Brian. The blade arms, mind you. Look how well it runs. See that? Hardly any wobble. Oh wow, it's... These things are powerhouses on high. These 100 originals. And I think we'll do spin down. See how it torqued out? I apologize for the blades being somewhat dirty, but I just wanted to test this fan as is. And the light kit's aftermarket, it's not Hunter. But you really can't tell the difference now if it's like... If it's not all brass, but if it's... It has brass accenting on it, you know, you can't really see much difference there. You just don't really, it doesn't stand out as much, is what I'm trying to tell you. It's got really good spin down time to it. I'm very, very impressed with it. Blades look clean on the other side, so. Anyway, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.